Here we go, here we go, here we go. We are live. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Market update is getting ready to pump to higher prices. And in this stream, we'll be taking a look at the altcoin market, which coins are giving us huge pumps to the upside. We'll be taking a look at the king of the market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin has hold support level. Bitcoin is trading around $30,000. Bitcoin dumped to as low as $29,100. It brought a little fear in the market. But right now, Bitcoin has rallied back up. A lot of traders that were betting Bitcoin pumping to higher prices were liquidated when we saw that move to the downside. We'll take a look at Ethereum, king of all coins in the market. Currently trading above $2,000. How high can we go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We'll be looking at new stories happening in the crypto world. It looks as if the bear market is over right now. Optimism is returning to the market as we are seeing all coins pumping to higher prices. There's still greed in the crypto market. What's next for the total crypto market cap? Can we get to as high as $1.5 trillion? Guys, we'll be talking about that and more in this video. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the live stream. At the end of the stream, we'll be taking a look at all the questions in the chats. If you have any altcoin you want us to review, you can drop a comment in the session. We are seeing altcoins pump to higher prices today. Tether is up by more than 13%. If you take a look at the gainer section, we have FTT. We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. If you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Let's dive into it. The market is pumping on the daily time frame. If we go on a monthly time frame also, we are still seeing pumps to the upside. If you go on the weekly time frame, all coins are showing us early signs of alt season. So where we're heading to in the coming days and the coming weeks, guys, the altcoin season index has been one indicator we have been following closely on this channel. And right now, it's telling us capital is flowing to the altcoin market. Right now, it's telling us altcoins are going to be attractive in the short while. We're going to see a lot of altcoins pumping to higher prices, and that's going to happen very quickly. Guys, you know how altcoins rally? When they rally, they do that very quickly. And if you go and take a look at what the market is doing, in the last 1 week, Arbitrum is up 40%. In the last 1 week, Injective, FTT, XRD, Woo, they are up over 20%. And that's how the pumps will start. If you go on a monthly time frame, you can see even more coins are giving us signs of life in this bear market. So all seasons around the corner. Hold on to your bags. If all coins start pumping, you don't want to be jumping from one coin to another. Guys, that's one of the key mistakes investors make in this bear market. You don't want to learn from that, and you want to avoid making that mistake in this bear market. Now, what has Bitcoin done over the weekend? Bitcoin dumped to as low as $29,100. If we go on a smaller time frame, on the 4 hours, we take a look at what Bitcoin did over the weekend. Since the last update, we saw Bitcoin hovering around this $28,000 region. After Bitcoin pumped to as high as $31,000, Bitcoin looked as if it was dumping, and right now Bitcoin is back above $30,000. We found support around the $29,100 region. So Bitcoin is still holding key support levels. We are still pumping to higher prices, but guys, remember, we will not pump forever. At some point in time, this rally is going to come to an end. So if you have some profits, you want to be booking those profits. Take some profits, because when we dump to Goblin Town, eventually you want to have some capital to get back into the market. I told you guys we might have some difficulties around this $30,000 to $32,000 region. The top of this range is around $32,000. Let me take this off. The top of this range is around $32,000, and we saw Bitcoin hit heavy resistance at that $32,000 level. So I'll not be shocked to see us hit $32,000, and we'll see a big pullback, maybe even to as low as $25,000. Very possible. If we see Bitcoin face huge resistance at this $32,000, if all coins are getting sent, then we might just see alt season, and we might just see this rally coming to an end. But we still have some further side to go to the upside. In the next 21 days, all coins are going to be very attractive. We're already seeing meme coins pumping to higher prices. Let's take a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Bitcoin on-chain data highlights the step BTC is taking to exit the bear market. A fresh report from Glassnode suggests that Bitcoin has built a solid foundation below the $30,000 level. Long-term holders are on vest despite major turn. By April 12, 155 days has passed since the FTX exchange collapsed, and we saw Bitcoin trying to pump to higher prices then, and then we had that dump back to gobbling town that took us to around $25,000. But right now it looks as if Bitcoin has recovered. Right now it looks as if the bear market is behind us. A lot of data is suggesting that Bitcoin is ready for a new cycle. CME Group to expand Bitcoin and Ether option expiry after a record daily volume. The CME Group aims to offer market participants more accurate and flexibility in managing the risks of short-term fluctuations in the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's good to see. More ways to buy or sell Bitcoin. Bitcoin price quotes now live on Twitter following eToro partnership. The move follows April 13 partnership between Twitter and Israel cryptocurrency exchange. That's good to see, guys. All these news are good because we're going to get more people coming to crypto, and when more people come into crypto, it leads to more people buying crypto. More people buying crypto leads to another bull market, and yada yada yada. We'll see altcoins pumping to the moon. Guys, remember, this is a very, very long journey. Yes, we're pumping right now. Yes, we're getting excited. We have seen biggest pumps we have seen for altcoins in a while, but remember, this is a long journey. If you're waiting to see when you get that 10x, 20x, you have to survive a lot of pumps. You also have to survive a lot of dumps. If you take a look at the king of all coins in the market, Ethereum, currently trading around $2,000. Ethereum has gotten even to as high as $2,150. That's the highest we have seen Ethereum trade since May of 2022. And guys, in the coming days and the coming weeks, let's not be shocked to see Ethereum head to that $2,400 region. We saw Ethereum having a little reaction to that $2,400 region before we dumped to gobbling town. The last time we saw Ethereum trying to pump to higher prices, the green candle in all this chaos, we got to that $2,400 level and we got rejected. We started dumping down to gobbling town. So that will be a key level we should be paying attention to. And guys, when Ethereum gets to that $2,400 level, Ethereum would have been up by more than 173% from the bottom. And if it just happens at the same time we are seeing Bitcoin get to that $32,000 or $35,000 region, a lot of red flags will be flying. I'll be sending warnings for us to be taking some profit. If you see Bitcoin getting to $35,000 at the same time we are seeing Ethereum getting to $2,400 and all coins are going crazy, guys, that might just be the telltale sign that we might need some chill pill when the alt season happens. Other news stories happening in the crypto world. Ethereum's taking passive withdrawal for the first time since Chappelle upgrade. Over 1 million Ethereum has been withdrawn since Chappelle hard fork on April 12th. However, a significant number of addresses have restaked their Ethereum. A lot of people are throwing around rumors that we'll see a huge jump in the market after the upgrade. But guys, it has come and gone successfully, and it looks as if it was actually a bullish news for the price of Ethereum, as we have seen Ethereum pumping to higher prices ever since. Binance users get new Ethereum deposit addresses. Here's what to do. Binance said retiring old deposit addresses on multiple blockchains is part of its infrastructure upgrade, with the new addresses offering better security and efficiency. Network utilizing the same deposit address, put it out there. I'll send this out to Twitter and Facebook. If you want to change your address, Binance is upgrading their infrastructure. You want to join? If you take a look at Bitcoin's dominance in the market, Bitcoin dominance currently sits around 47%. Bitcoin dominance in the market got to as high as 49%. And guys, right now it looks as if Bitcoin dominance is dumping to gobbling town, and that's actually good news if Bitcoin dominance is dumping to gobbling town, because all coins will start pumping to higher prices. And we have seen in the past that anytime Bitcoin is having a good time, anytime Bitcoin is pumping to higher prices and the altcoin market is stalling, when Bitcoin starts dumping and we see the altcoin market getting sent, that is a huge recipe for alt season. And if you see Bitcoin dominance getting to that 42% region, if you see Bitcoin dominance maybe even going lower than that, and altcoins are pumping to higher prices, guys, that's what we have been waiting for a very long time. That is actually alt season, and the altcoin season index is telling us right now Bitcoin is pumping, but the altcoin market might see a bigger pump than Bitcoin in the coming days and in the coming weeks. There's greed in the cryptocurrency market right now. We have seen the markets have sustained period of greed. In the last 1 month, we've basically been experiencing greed in the cryptocurrency market. But guys, if you go on a yearly time frame, you will see that we're coming from extreme greed. We're working our way slowly but surely since June of 2022 on the crypto fear and greed index. So maybe, just maybe, we are even getting to the end of this rally. So we need to pay attention to the market. Maybe, just maybe, the rally is coming to an end, because Bitcoin has gone from $15,000 to as high as $30,000, and normally that's 100% move to the upside. And since when Bitcoin started this bear market, that's the biggest pump we have seen for Bitcoin. But I know we can't keep pumping forever. That's why we have to stay very vigilant in this bear market. MicroStrategy Sailors Fuse's work email address with Bitcoin Lightning. Fans of Bitcoin Bull have been transferring him 21 Satoshi as a way to test out his future. MicroStrategy holds huge amounts of Bitcoin, and Michael Saylor is one of the biggest supporters of Bitcoin. Australian crypto scams increased by over 162%, with nearly $150 million lost, while the total figures are alarming. Crypto scams accounted for 7.1% of the total $2.08 billion stolen from Australians in 2022. So crypto scams are out there. Be careful out there, guys. But crypto scams just accounts for just over 7% of all the scams that we saw in Australia last year. Now, if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, which sits around $1.23 trillion, that's the highest we've seen total crypto market cap trade since June of 2022. And right now, it looks as if we're still gearing to pump to higher prices. Guys, we might face huge rejection when we get to that $1.5 trillion level. But for us to get to the $1.5 trillion level, we still have a lot of work to do to the upside. From where we're currently trading right now, we'll have to see the total market go up by around 20%. A 20% move in the market to the upside might see altcoins giving us 100 or maybe 200% pumps. Right now, some altcoins already up 100%. Injective is up 100%. Casper is up 90%. We have Woo Network Render Token. The altcoin market is looking bubbly. If you take a look at altcoin market, we're seeing a lot of altcoins that have been lying down low, now giving us some pumps to the upside. Let's take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world. MicroStrategy stocks price more than doubles in 2023 in lockstep with Bitcoin. Bank of America and Fidelity have increased their MicroStrategy exposure in what appears to be a passive Bitcoin investment. Interesting to see big players actually buying Bitcoin exposure, guys. That's to tell you something. Some people want to have access to that Bitcoin boom, and we are seeing big players buy MicroStrategy stock just to have access to that Bitcoin boom. And if you take a look at the crypto unicorn index, it's telling us right now we're having 57 projects that have a market capitalization of over $1 billion. This is the highest we have seen since August of 2022. If we go above 59 projects, that will be the highest we have seen since June of 2022. That means the market is getting very bullish. We're seeing more altcoins giving us pump to the upside. We'll be taking a look at Moonbeam's charts later at the end of the video. Moonbeam is one of the favorite altcoins on this channel. On-chain raises $60 million to offer collaborative custody Bitcoin services. Texas-based On-Chain Capital hopes to undermine single points of failure and mitigate counterparty risks with a substantial $60 million raise led by Valor Equity Partners. Ethereum Layer 2 bridging up sixfold year-on-year in Q1. Layer 2s also saw increased development activities with year-over-year smart contract deployment increasing by 160%. Ethereum Layer 2 such as Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon increasing popularity in the first quarter of 2023, according to a report from Web3 development platform Altcoins. If you take a look at liquidation data in the market, guys, in the last 24 hours, we have seen over 26,000 traders get liquidated. Just a 2% move in Bitcoin saw more than $80 million liquidated from the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin accounting for over $29 million of those liquidations, Ethereum accounting for over $15 million of those liquidations. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of the liquidations have been short. Over 61% of those liquidations were short. A lot of people are betting the market will dump to Goblin Town. In the bear market, rally can go higher than people would think they are going. And when we start dumping, we can dump lower than people think we can go. African blockchain ventures outpaced global funding growth. African witnessed a 429% year-on-year increase in venture funding in 2022, with the majority of funding coming from Seychelles and South Africa. Bitcoin and liquid staking protocol leads crypto resurgence in Q1. The first quarter of 2023 saw Bitcoin outperform traditional assets by a 72% quarterly gain in market capitalization. Bitcoin has been having a good time since the turn of the year. We have seen Bitcoin go from as low as $15,500. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $30,100. Bitcoin even got to as high as $31,000 over the weekend. Guys, where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and in the coming weeks? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Taylor Mohana brought the issue to light and said no one knows how the exploits work yet. Guys, the US dollar currency index, an index we have been following on this channel right now, is at the 101 region. If you see it dropping below 100, that might just see the altcoin market and the crypto market pumping to higher prices. And guys, you know how aggressive those pumps can be. It can happen very, very quickly. Bitcoin mega whale sends BTC price to $30,000 as volatility hits crypto. Bitcoin sees a sudden return to form as reshuffle of order books liquidity precedes a spurt above BTC resistance. Guys, how high do you think Bitcoin will go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Bitcoin has returned above $30,000 on April as volatility preceded the day's Wall Street open. A lot of people are shorting Bitcoin over the weekend, but right now we have seen Bitcoin pump to higher prices. Anonymous ETC, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for your comments. Very, very appreciated. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. If you want us to talk about any coin, you can drop your thoughts about that in the live chat. I'm going to be checking out at the end of the stream. We're seeing altcoin market pumping to higher prices. And if you take a look at the total crypto market cap, take a look at the altcoin market, we are seeing all of them looking as if they are getting ready for one big pump to the upside. The altcoin market is telling us that altcoins should have huge pumps to the upside, but guys, not those kind of bull run pumps that we're expecting, those 3,000%, 2,000% pumps. Yes, we might see the altcoin market rally above $460 billion, but I just have a sneaky feeling when we start seeing it getting to as high as 500 or maybe $600 billion, that might be where the rally might come to an end. We're going to see how that will play out in the coming days and in the coming weeks. AlphaZero launches $50 million eco funding programs. The funding program for the ecosystem involves grant, incubation, and acceleration for all phases of products and development, with approved applicants receiving up to $500,000 per project. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, in the last 24 hours, we have seen Bitcoin go up by 0.23%. In the last 24 hours, I've seen Bitcoin go up by 2.66%. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is still trading above $30,200. Sorry guys. Other news story happening in the crypto world: privacy scaling drivers uses case for zero knowledge technology. Zero knowledge technology has seen significant growth in adoption within the blockchain space in 2023, according to inaugural quarterly report published by ZK Validators. Ethereum is up 15% versus Bitcoin since Chappell. More Ethereum price gains ahead. Ethereum stakers have withdrawn 1.2 billion worth of Ethereum from Ethereum staking contract since Chappell upgrade. And Bank of Israel does not want private companies taking over digital payment system in the country. Israel's central bank says CBDC could be issued if stable coins uses increases. Interesting to see. Israel most of the time starts all this trend, and after Israel starts this trend, we see other countries copying this trend. So it's very, very interesting to see that Israel is saying they might issue their stable coin if they see other people using stable coin more and more. If we take a look at gainers and losers in the market in the last 24 hours in the top 100 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, in the gainer section we have ICP, Theta Network, Render Token, Chainlink, and Arbitrum. In the loser section we have Injective, Rocket Pool, SDC Network, and Maker. If you take a look at other news stories happening in the crypto world, Bank of England preparing for greater role of tokenization in finance. Official says Bank of England Deputy Governor Sir John Comfort looks at stablecoins, CBDCs, and other forms of tokenization taking hold in the modern economy in a speech on financial innovations. The altcoin market is pumping to higher prices. The altcoin season index is telling us the altcoin market is seeing inflows from Bitcoin. A lot of people right now are flipping their Bitcoin back into altcoins. Bitcoin, the king of the market, is trading above $30,000, guys. What a wonderful chart. We have seen Bitcoin start the year on a very bright note. To the 1st of January, Bitcoin left $16,400. Even though we have seen a lot of pumps, we have seen this dump right here where people thought Bitcoin would dump after it came back and go below 20K. Bitcoin has somehow found a way to rally itself to as high as $30,000. Bitcoin is up 83% since the start of the year. Ethereum, the king of all coins in the market, since the start of the year, left the $1,196 region. Ethereum has rallied up 75% since the start of the year. But guys, something important is happening right now. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. Ethereum in the last few days has been giving us gains to the upside, and that's the telltale sign for Altseason. And if Altseason is happening, your favorite altcoins will be pumping to the moon. If you go on a daily time frame right now, see huge pumps in the altcoin market. SRD is up 40%. We have FTT up 18%. Injective, another huge gainer in the last 1 week. Injective is up 34%. If you go on a monthly time frame, you will see that Injective is even up 98%. Which other altcoins, guys, do you see in the market giving us huge pumps to the upside? Because some coins are pumping more than the other ones. People are asking which coin should they buy. Guys, believe in your altcoins. Over time, your altcoins will pump to higher prices. If you believe in your altcoin you're holding, if you have done your research, if you have invested in knowledge, then hold and believe you will see it pumping at the right time. But what the market is telling us, if Bitcoin continues pumping to higher prices, the altcoin market is where the fun will happen. Some altcoins have gone 2x, 3x. Some people have even seen 10x gains in this bear market already. The crypto unicorn index is showing us more projects having a market capitalization of $1 billion, and that's a strong indication of a healthy market. There's greed in the market, guys. Don't get too greedy, don't get too scared. We're getting to the end of that rally. If you want any altcoin updates, drop your thoughts in the comment section. You can check out the channel. We release videos every day on different altcoins, where they are, where they're going the nearest future. We have different playlists on the channel. We have videos on Bitcoin, videos on Ethereum. We have a portfolio update. We have a model. Investing in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. Altseason is here. Just believe in investing and trading. A lot of it has to do with your mindset. If you believe, if you hold on when the market is in extreme fear, we saw the market stuck in extreme fear. A lot of people are scared to buy altcoins. Right now, the market is going towards greed. Right now is the time to make money, but right now is not the time to get too greedy. If you get 100% on your altcoins, take some profits off the table. If you get some 200% pumps to the upside, take some profits off the table. Even if you're holding for the long haul, guys, this is a long-term game. For you to get that 10x, 20x, you have to be very patient. We're deep in the bear market, and the bear market is for investing. Let's take a look at Injective. Somebody's asking for Injective in the comment section. Let's take a look at what Injective has been doing in this bear market rally. As all coins are pumping to higher prices, we're seeing some altcoins give us the early signs of Altseason. And take a look at what Injective has been doing. Injective is one of those altcoins you should keep out an eye for. Injective is up 98% in the last 1 month. It's up 34% in the last 1 week. This is the Injective US dollar price chart. Take a look at what Injective has done since the start of the year. Injective has gone from as low as $1.24. Injective has rallied to as high as $9.8. A big pump to the upside. Injective has pumped by more than 500%. But guys, right now it's a very dangerous time. A lot of people will be FOMOing at the top. That's not what you want to do. The best time to buy altcoins is when they are down in Goblin Town. You see, in the 1st of January 2023, when Bitcoin started pumping to higher prices, we saw Injective also start pumping to higher prices. Injective, one of the altcoins in the market, has gone up by 666%. Going from $1.25, Injective has rallied to as high as $9.6. This might not be a smart time to start buying some Injective. If I had some Injective, I would be taking some profits off the table, because $1,000 invested in this altcoin on the 1st of January should have returned more than $6,000 right now. The smart play will be take out $3,000 and maybe let $3,000 ride, so that in case we get the pullback, I'll be able to buy some on the dip. And guys, the way we didn't dump forever, we finally found the bottom, is the same way as we're pumping. We're not going to pump forever. We're going to finally find the top. And let's take a look at Injective performance against Bitcoin, because sometimes your altcoins might be pumping to higher prices, but you want to pay close attention to their performance against Bitcoin. It will tell you whether they're underperforming or they're performing well. And take a look at what Injective has done since the start of the year against Bitcoin. It has rallied up by around 381%. Very smart move if you bought Injective instead of buying some Bitcoin. Other altcoins are showing us huge gains in the market. FTT token has been pumping based off the news that we had that FTX exchange might come back. Dogecoin is always pumping. Dogecoin always leads the bull run. Dogecoin is up 25% in the last 1 month. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. I see altcoins pumping to higher prices. Which altcoins are you holding in your portfolio, and how high do you see Bitcoin going? How high do you see Ethereum going? Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Guys, check us on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Telegram, at Mr. Legend Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.